Hello everyone! Today is Wednesday, November 11th, and I wanted to give you your directions for today. Alright, let's take a look at our playlist for today. Alright, just a reminder, if you have any questions or you need to get a hold of me, the top of your playlist has links on how to schedule office hours with me, how to email me, and how to text me through Remind. Remember, texting me through Remind gets me immediately. Email sometimes takes just a little bit longer, and scheduling office hours with me is a great way to get me one-on-one, both virtually and if you're in the building, in person. All right. So taking a look at your Wednesday expectations, everyone is home today. There are no live Zooms and there are no full classes. Your expectations for today is to be working independently on your classroom assignments. You need to ensure that you are caught up all the way through week 10. So this is that weird week where we just finished week 9, we finished first quarter's work, and we are 1 week in second quarter. So make sure that you have finished everything that we assigned all the way through this first week of second quarter. Here is your Flipgrid question for today. Click the link of the class you are assigned to. It's going to pull up Flipgrid, and today we are learning about physical and chemical change. What did I do? All right, there we go. Physical and chemical change, and it wants to know, chopping vegetables is an example of causing a physical change to matter. Cooking those vegetables is an example of causing a chemical change to matter. Think about some examples of how matter can go through a physical and chemical change and respond here. All right. So, make sure you watch the video I've made and record your response. That's all we have for Wednesday, and I will see y'all later. Bye.